Hello. Your website still not ranking? Do you know how to Google ranking your website? Let's start. Rank your website using organic crowd search from thousands of real people. What is crowdsearch.me? Crowd search is a web-based system where you enter your URL and keywords, after which an army, 200,000, of users will organically search for your website, click on the links and stay on your site. The resulting effect is a drastic rise in SERPs. A secret exposed. Open Google and enter in your main keyword and click search. Go through the pages until you find your site listed and then click it. Browse your site while also clicking through various internal pages. After a few minutes, exit your website. Those 4 simple steps. Step 1 are becoming the most important factor. Step 2 that Google is now using. Step 3 when deciding where a website should rank. Step 4 so what can you do? Here's why. We wasn't getting enough searches for the volume of the keyword. The virtual assistants we hired weren't staying on the site long enough for clicking internal links, so my bounce rate skyrocketed. We wasn't getting any good traffic from my target markets of the United States, Canada, and the UK. Crowdsearch.me is a web-based system which allows you to enter your website and keywords so that the crowd search army can organically search for your site and boost your rank. Access to over 200,000 real people and growing. Push button simple, just enter URL and keyword. 100% automated. Google safe and private. Algorithm optimizes center and bounce rate. Crowd search feature breakdown. Uses smart rank technology. Improve search rankings. Powered by the crowd. No bounces. Twitter retweets and favorites. Built-in daily keyword tracking. 100% Google safe. If you want to buy this product, please follow the link in description. What will you get? 30-day money-back guarantee. 24/7 online support. Thanks for watching.